and black combination, guys. Beautiful look, guys. Cow figure design is so amazing, guys. Really beautiful look, guys. Cow figure designing is so nice. So side this, guys, cow figure, and guys next figure, guys, god. Beautiful look, guys. God design is so amazing, guys. Really beautiful figure. God is really cool, amazing figure. And warning pepper, this beautiful. So side this, and guys next figure, horse, my favorite beautiful figure, guys. Horse action is really cool, amazing, guys. Design horse figure. It's really beautiful, guys. Wow, nice finishing. Horse, multiple color combination, guys. White, red, black combination, guys. Beautiful, guys. Horse design is so nice. So side this, guys, horse figure, and guys next figure, guys, rabbit. Wow, guys, beautiful, guys. Rabbit design is so nice. Black white combination. Beautiful, guys. Rabbit designing so nice, cute. Figure size is small. So side this, and guys next figure, guys, cow. Wow, is beautiful, guys. Cow, black white combination, amazing figure, guys. Cow. It's really cool. Designing is so amazing, guys. Wonderful, guys. Cow figure, amazing look, fantastic design. So side this, and guys next figure, guys, sheep. Beautiful, guys. Sheep design is so beautiful, and a bit warning cheat, amazing, guys. Look, guys. Sheep designing is so, length is very short, and red, yellow, white combination, multiple colors. So side this, and guys next figure, guys, peacock. Wow, guys, beautiful, guys. Peacock figure is really cool and realistic figure. Design is so amazing, guys. Back look is beautiful, guys. Peacock figure designing is so amazing. So side this, guys, peacock figure, and guys next figure, guys, pig. Beautiful, guys. Pig figure, amazing, guys. Is really cool figure, and back look is beautiful, guys. Designing is so amazing. Look is beautiful, guys. Pig figure. So side this, and guys next figure, and chicken. Beautiful, guys. Chicken figure, amazing. It's a really cool figure, guys. Designing so amazing. Look is fantastic, guys. Chicken figure. So side this, guys, chicken figure, and guys baboon. Beautiful, guys. Baboon babies is really cool. Designing is so amazing, guys. So side this. So wow, guys, beautiful, guys. So next pause, build animals opening. Beautiful, guys. Build animals, amazing figures. So open pouch. Wow, beautiful. One by one review. So guys, first, wow, guys, beautiful look, guys. Crocodile, amazing figure. Designing is so nice. Wow, look is fantastic. Wow. Mouth design is really good. It's a realistic crocodile figure design. So side this, guys, crocodile figure, and guys next figure. Wow, look is very nice, guys. Amazing figures, guys. Wow, very nice look, guys. Leopard. High quality skin figure. Designing is so amazing. Leopard figure, side this, and guys next figure, guys, lion is amazing, guys. It's a really angry figure. Wow, nice figure action. Design is so beautiful, guys. This line is Designing is really beautiful. So side this guys Linus figure, and guys next figure guys Wolf, Bill Wolf, beautiful look guys. Bill Wolf designing is so beautiful. It's really amazing guys. Designing is so beautiful. Will Wolf high quality skin figure. So side this, and guys next figure guys, wow, very nice look guys. Gorilla, amazing design. It's really cool figure guys. Gorilla, beautiful look guys. Black gorilla designing is so beautiful. So side this guys gorilla figure, and guys next figure guys brown bear, very nice look guys. Brown bear figure, amazing. It's really cool figure guys. So brown bear. Designing is so amazing. It's a really cool figure. So side this, and guys next figure guys polar bear, beautiful guys. White polar bear, white, beautiful guys. Amazing guys. Polar bear look is fantastic. So side this polar bear, and guys Hirola figure, very nice look guys. Hirola color combination is beautiful, and figure design is really good, and nice look. Designing is so beautiful. So side this, and guys next figure guys panda, beautiful look guys. Panda figure design is so amazing.
Perempuan banyak muda, anak banyak juta, jalan tutup mata, uang dan ring.
Look is very nice guys. Panda figure is really cool. Designing is so beautiful. So side this panda figure, and guys next figure guys giraffe. Wow guys, beautiful look guys. Giraffe figure, big size giraffe figure, amazing guys. Look. Design is so beautiful. Wow, high quality skin figure. Giraffe. It's really wonderful. So side this guys giraffe figure, and guys next figure guys giraffe. Wow guys, sheep, beautiful guys. Sheep figure, amazing guys. Look, design is so beautiful. Look, is fantastic guys. Sheep figure design is so beautiful. So side this guys sheep figure, and guys next figure guys zebra, beautiful guys. Zebra figure, amazing. It's a really beautiful look at zebra. Designing is so fantastic. It's a really cool figure guys. Zebra. So side this, and guys next figure guys elephant, beautiful guys. Big size elephant. Design is so amazing guys. Look is beautiful look guys. Elephant designing so amazing. It's really cool figure guys. Elephant. So side this guys elephant figure, and guys next figure guys tiger, beautiful look guys. Tiger designing is so amazing. Look is very nice guys. Tiger, amazing. Look, color combination is so beautiful. So nice design. Look is beautiful guys. Tiger figure, and guys next figure guys kangaroo guys, beautiful guys. Kangaroo, amazing. Wow, nice look guys. Kangaroos, babies and kangaroos. Beautiful look guys. Designing is so beautiful. Look is very nice. So side this, and guys next figure guys Asian tapir. Wow, mouth design is so beautiful. Black white combination guys, beautiful look guys. Asian tapir look is fantastic, amazing figure guys. Asian tapir look. So side this, and guys next figure guys rhinoceros, beautiful look guys. Rhinoceros, amazing design. combination is so beautiful. Rhinoceros look is very nice. So side this guys rhinoceros figure. And guys next figure guys, lion. Beautiful look guys, lion figure, amazing, high quality skin figure lion. Designing is so nice, look is fantastic. Lion design, color combination is so beautiful. So side this lion figure. And guys next figure guys, hippopotamus. Beautiful guys, hippopotamus design is so good. And guys mouth design is really beautiful guys. My god, it's beautiful guys. Hippopotamus side this. And guys next, so next guys, dinosaur plushes. Open this box. Okay guys, wow guys, beautiful guys, all little size dinosaurs, our dinosaur collections. So one by one review. So first dinosaurs guys, blue T-Rex dinosaurs, amazing figures guys, really beautiful guys, blue T-Rex dinosaurs. Nice look, design is so amazing. So side this blue T-Rex dinosaurs. And guys two trees, 1 tree and 2, beautiful guys, amazing 3 figure. So side this guys 3 figure. And guys next guys is dinosaurs, beautiful guys, dinosaur as a dinosaur baby, beautiful. Hello guys, amazing guys, look. So side this. And guys next T-Rex dinosaurs, beautiful guys, hello T-Rex dinosaurs, amazing figures. It's really cool, designing is so nice, designing is so beautiful. So side this. And guys next dinosaurs, oh my god, oh, all dinosaur folding, all dinosaur folding dinosaurs. So wow guys, beautiful guys, high dangerous dinosaurs, amazing figures. It's really cool. So side this. And guys next dinosaurs, beautiful look guys, short size dinosaurs, amazing guys, back high quality designing figure. So side this. And guys next, wow, beautiful look guys, dinosaurs and dinosaur mouth design and head design is so nice, look is fantastic. Action figure is nice. So side. And guys next fly dinosaurs, beautiful look guys, blue fly dinosaurs, amazing look guys, look is fantastic. Designing is so beautiful look guys, blue fly dinosaurs. So side guys. And guys next, wow, amazing guys, short legs dinosaurs, amazing, high quality skin, short size and very strong. So side this. And guys next figure guys, stegosaurus, beautiful look guys, yellow green combination guys, beautiful look guys, stegosaurus, amazing figure. So side this. And guys next figure guys, wow, high quality back dinosaur figure, amazing, it's really cool figure, high quality fantastic dinosaurs figures, amazing look. So side this. And guys next figure guys, spinosaurus, beautiful guys, spinosaurus, designing is so amazing, it's really beautiful cool figure, amazing look guys. Spinosaurus. So side this, and guys, next figure, guys. Wow, amazing, guys. Look, designing is so beautiful. Dinosaurs is very, very nice. So side this, guys, dinosaurs, and guys, red white combination, guys, beautiful, guys. Dinosaurs figures, amazing, guys. Look, designing is so beautiful. Horse, cow, pig, peacock. So let's go, guys, open the pouch. Oh wow, guys, beautiful. Wow, guys, beautiful, guys. Animals collections, amazing designing animals. So let's go, guys, side this. So first figure, guys. Wow, sheep is really amazing. Amazing, guys, realistic, beautiful figure, guys. Sheep design is so amazing, beautiful. Look, guys, sheep. So side this sheep, and then, guys, next figure, guys, tortoise. Wow, is really cool figure, guys. Realistic tortoise, amazing design. Back look is beautiful, guys. Realistic little size tortoise. Wow, so beautiful figure. So side this, guys, tortoise, and guys, next figure, guys, duck. Oh, wow, amazing figure design. Duck is the beautiful figure, is realistic, amazing figure, guys. Duck. So side this, guys, duck, and the next figure, guys. Wow, cock. Wow, guys, white red combination, guys. Very nice. Look, guys, cock design is so beautiful, amazing, and realistic, beautiful figure, guys. Cock. Wow, so beautiful. Look, guys, cock. So side this, guys, cock, and guys, next figure, guys, donkey. Wow. Wow, guys, very nice. Look, guys, donkey figure, amazing and beautiful, guys. Designing donkey figure is the realistic, amazing, beautiful. So side this, guys, the donkey, and the next figure, guys. Oh my god, peacock. Figure is so amazing, guys. Realistic, beautiful figure, guys. Peacock, so nice figure. Wow, very nice. So side this, guys, peacock. Wow. So next figure, guys, T-Rex dinosaur. Very nice. Look, guys, black T-Rex dinosaurs. Figure design is really amazing and cool figure, guys. T-Rex dinosaurs. So side this, guys, T-Rex dinosaurs, and guys, next figure, crocodile. Wow. Oh, guys, very nice. Look, guys, red crocodile design is so beautiful and amazing design. Red crocodile. So side this, guys, crocodile, and guys, next figure, guys, rhinoceros. Wow. Wow, guys, very nice. Look, guys, rhinoceros design is so amazing and back look is beautiful, guys. Rhinoceros. Wow, so beautiful rhinoceros. So side this, guys, rhinoceros, and next figure, guys, lion. Wow, amazing figure design, beautiful. Look, guys, lion. Wow, design is so beautiful, guys. Lion. So side this, guys, lion, And the next figure, guys, shark. Wow. So beautiful. Look guys, shark. These beautiful dinosaurs. Amazing look and realistic beautiful figure, guys. Dinosaurs. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful look, guys. Dinosaurs. So sight this, guys. Dinosaurs. And the next figure, oh my god, pig. Wow, pig figure is really amazing. Oh nice, very nice design, guys. Pig figure is realistic, amazing design. Pig. So sad this, guys. Pig. And the next figure, guys, frog. Wow, guys, very nice design. Frog figure, amazing, guys. Realistic, very nice, guys. Figure. Frog design is so amazing. So side this, guys, frog. And the next figure, guys, horse. Wow, really cool figure. Horse design is so amazing, guys. Realistic beautiful figure, guys. Horse. Wow, so nice horse. So side this, guys, horse. And the next figure, guys, cobra snake. Wow, guys, very nice look, guys. Yellow cobra snake design is so amazing and very nice figure, guys. Cobra snake. So side this, guys, cobra snake. And guys, next figure, guys, god. Wow. Wow, is a really beautiful figure, guys. God design is so amazing, guys. Very nice figure, god. So side this, guys, god. And the next figure, guys, wow, elephant. So nice figure. Wow, it's the beautiful amazing design, guys. Elephant, realistic amazing design. Elephant. So side this, guys, elephant. And guys, next figure, wow, guys, tiger. Wow, guys, big size, beautiful look, guys. Tiger figure, amazing, guys. Realistic, very nice figure, guys. Tiger look is very nice, so beautiful tiger. So side this, guys, tiger. And the next figure, guys, wolf. Wow, guys, very nice look, guys. Wolf design is so amazing, guys. Realistic amazing design, guys. Wolf, so nice figure, guys. Wolf. So side this, guys, wolf. And guys, next figure, oh my god, is big size, beautiful look, guys. Horse. Realistic amazing figure, guys. Horse design is so nice figure. So side this, guys, horse. And next figure, guys, dog. Wow, guys, very nice design and realistic amazing figure, guys. Dog figure is so nice figure, dog. So side this, guys, dog. And next figure, guys, hippopotamus. Very nice look, guys. Black hippopotamus design is so amazing and realistic beautiful figure, guys. Black hippopotamus. So side this, guys, black hippopotamus. And guys, big size. Wow, guys, very nice, high dangerous dinosaurs. Very nice look, guys. Cow design is so nice figure. Wow, wonderful look. So side this cow. And next figure, guys. Wow, guys, God figure. It is so nice figure. God, look is amazing, guys. Design is so nice figure, guys. God. So side this guy's God figure. And the next figure, guys, little size. Wow, beautiful. So first leopard, beautiful. Look, guys, leopard design is so very nice, guys. Design leopard. So side this guy's leopard. And guys, next figure, camel. Cool.
Camel.
Wow, guys, very nice look, guys. Camel design is so beautiful, guys. Camel. So side this guy's camel. And guys, next figure, gorilla. Wow, guys, very nice look, guys. Black gorilla design is so amazing and realistic, beautiful, guys. Black gorilla. So side this. And guys, next figure, duck, white red combination, guys. Very nice look, guys. Duck figure, amazing and realistic. So beautiful look, guys. Duck. Wow. So side this, guys, duck. And guys, next figure, chicken. Wow. Guys, very nice look, guys. Chicken design, so nice figure. Is the most beautiful guys figure, chicken. So side this, guys, chicken. And guys, next figure, cow, black. White combination, guys. Very nice look, guys. Cow design is so nice figure. Back look is beautiful, color combination is really good. So side this. And the next figure, guys, flight dinosaurs. So amazing, guys. Wow, it's realistic yellow flight dinosaurs. So side this, guys, dinosaurs. And the next figure, wow, guys, very nice look, guys. Giraffe. Wow, so beautiful look, guys. Giraffe figure, amazing and realistic, very nice, guys. Giraffe. So, and the next, guys, donkey figure is the beautiful, guys, look. Zebra horse, very nice figure, guys. Realistic zebra horse. Wow, guys. Wow, oh wow, my beautiful, guys, big size animals collection. So this will like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Figure, amazing, guys. Oh my god, wow, guys, beautiful, guys. Elephant, realistic elephant figure, amazing, guys. Look. Designing is so fantastic. Look is very beautiful, guys. Elephant figure. So outside this, and guys, this is a next box, guys. Oh, sorry, guys, this is a tiger, beautiful, guys, tiger figure. Now you might want to hold it. Amazing, guys, look. So outside this, guys, tiger figure. And guys, this is a lion, yellow black combination, guys, beautiful, guys, lion figure. So side this, guys, lion figure. And side this box, guys, next little size box open. So okay, so first figure, guys, chimpanzee, beautiful, guys, chimpanzee. Look is very fantastic and very amazing, guys. Look, chimpanzee figure is very beautiful. Side this, guys, chimpanzee figure. And guys, this is a fox. Okay, guys, fox, green, black, white combination, guys, fox figure. So side this, guys, fox figure. And guys, this is a new box. Okay, very nice look guys, high quality wall figure, very dangerous animal figure. Wild animals, very dangerous, high quality wall figure. Wow, green black combination. So outside this guys wall figure. And guys, next box open. Okay guys, rhinoceros, very interesting figure guys, rhinoceros. Look is very cute and very amazing guys, rhinoceros figure is very nice. So side this guys rhinoceros figure. And guys, this is a next box open guys. Very high packaging guys. Wow guys, beautiful guys, lion, panda, deer, giraffe, elephant. So all cable. So guys, first figure guys. Oh guys, sorry guys, plastic pouch packaging is very high quality. So oh my god, so wow, first figure elephant is really cool, high quality elephant figure. Is very amazing and very beautiful elephant, is very nice guys figure, nice quality and high quality material finishing is beautiful. So aside this guys elephant figure. And guys, next figure guys, so plastic. Okay, so next figure guys, giraffe, beautiful guys, big size giraffe figure. Action is very amazing and very beautiful. Look guys, giraffe figure is really cool, awesome figure, and designing is so beautiful. Giraffe figure side this. And guys, this is a deer. So open guys, deer figure, very nice. Look guys, deer. Look is very amazing and very beautiful. So deer figure is nice. Side this guys, deer figure. And guys, this is a forest king, beautiful guys, forest king lion is very amazing. Guys, animals king lion, designing is so beautiful, high quality bat figure is really awesome. Side this guy's lion figure. And guys, next guy's figure, wow, panda, beautiful guys, panda figure is a very interesting figure, quality is very amazing guys. Panda look is very beautiful, panda figure. So side this guy's panda figure. And so 5 animals figure, so this side. And guys, this is a farm animals boxes. So open this box guys, wow, very amazing figure. So first figure guys, deer, sheep, beautiful guys, white red combination, amazing figure guys, sheep. Look is a very beautiful, amazing design, white and red combination. Sheep figure, side this guys, sheep figure. And guys, this is a horse, very amazing and a very beautiful, high finishing racing horse.
Here is food for you, lovely horse.
Look is very amazing guys, design is so cool. So side this guys, horse figure. And guys, this is a cow, beautiful guys, high finishing cow figure is amazing guys. white and black combination, guys. Beautiful look, guys. Beautiful look, guys. Cow figure. Side this guy's cow figure. And guys, this is a god. Beautiful look, guys. God figure. Look is very amazing and very beautiful. Very nice look, guys. God figure. Side this guy's god figure. And guys, dog. Beautiful look, guys. Dog figure. Amazing, guys. Green black combination. Beautiful look, guys. Dog figure. Side this. And guys, this is a donkey. Very nice look, guys. Donkey figure. Amazing, guys. Color combination is really, really amazing.
Huh? Oh no!
It's really beautiful, guys. Donkey figure. Side this guy's donkey figure. And guys, boundaries. Wow, boundary parts. So side this guy's boundary part. And guys, next figure, horse is really, really beautiful, guys. Horse, amazing, guys. Green and black and white combination. Beautiful look, guys. Horse figure. Side this guys, horse figure. And guys, next figure, guys, camel. Very nice look, guys. Camel, amazing, guys. Look is very amazing and very interesting, guys. Camel figure. So side this guy's camel figure. And guys, this is a swan. Beautiful look, guys. Swan, white and red combination, guys. Beautiful look, guys. Swan figure. It's very beautiful. Side this guy's swan figure. And guys, this is a cock. Beautiful look, guys. Cock, white and oh sorry guys, black and red combination. Amazing figure, guys. Cock figure. It's really beautiful. So side this guy's cock figure. And guys, next, little size 1, 3 and 3. So plastic 3 side this. And guys, 2, 3, 2 part is plastic, so side. And next figure, guys, duck. Beautiful, guys. Duck figure, amazing, guys. White and red combination, guys. Beautiful, guys. Duck figure. Is really beautiful. Duck is very interesting figure. Side this guy's duck figure. And guys, this is a, oh sorry guys, this is a chicken. Beautiful chicken figure. Amazing, guys. Look, and look is very beautiful. So side this guy's chicken figure. And guys, this is a rooster. Beautiful figure, guys. Rooster is cool, amazing. Figure. Side this guy's rooster figure. And this is a cow. Beautiful, guys. Little size action figure. Cow, amazing. White black combination. Side this guy's cow figure. And figure, guys, peacock. Beautiful, guys. Peacock figure, amazing, guys. Realistic peacock figure, look is very amazing. So side this guy's peacock figure. So side this guy's boxes. And guys, next dinosaur box open. So dinosaur plastic, beautiful. So open this. Wow, very nice look, guys. Dinosaurs collections, amazing figure. So guys, first T-Rex dinosaurs. I dinosaur folding. So one by one, all dinosaur folding. So Wow guys, blue T-Rex dinosaurs, amazing guys. Look it's very fantastic. Side this guys, blue T-Rex dinosaur and tree. Wow guys, rubber tree, nice green yellow combination. Side this guys, tree. And guys, next figure guys, yellow, oh sorry guys, blue dinosaurs and as dinosaurs, amazing guys. Dinosaurs babies, so side this. And guys, next figure guys, yellow T-Rex dinosaurs, beautiful guys, yellow T-Rex dinosaurs, amazing guys. Look,
Tyrannosaurus.
side this guys, yellow T-Rex dinosaurs. And guys, next figure guys, Spinosaurus, beautiful guys, Spinosaurus. Look, is very amazing guys, Spinosaurus figure. And red yellow combination. Side this guys, Spinosaurus. And guys, next gray and blue Hydrangeus dinosaurs. Look, is very amazing and very fantastic.